to create a dramatic black and white image in Photoshop. First, select your image. Make a copy of it by Ctrl+J. Now go to the top menu. Image, then Calculations. Now, it already gives a black and white preview of your image. Now we need to choose a blend mode that looks good according to your image. I'm selecting Multiple. Here you can check which channels are giving the best dramatic black and white according to your image. Here I'm selecting Blue. Here blue channels give this image the best dramatic black and white. So feel free to play with it and see what looks great for your image. You can also play with the opacity if needed. I'm keeping it at 100%. And then, hit OK. Go to Channels, and you will see a new alpha channel has been created. Now, make sure the alpha channel is selected. Press Ctrl+A as Select All. Ctrl+C as Copy. Go to Layers and create a new layer, and then press Ctrl+V as Paste. Now your black and white version on the top layer. Optional use levels, if you want, make it even more dramatic. If you found this video helpful, then watch the next video that appears on your screen. You will enjoy it. Also, check out the amazing video playlist organized on this channel. Please leave your useful likes, shares, and comments. Subscribe to this channel. See you again.